CM's scholarship program is a scholarship which the state government will give. As you're aware that the central government has been giving scholarship mostly through their Tribal Affairs Ministry and some through MHA and other departments. But these scholarship amounts are not very regular in terms of the timing. So there's sometimes a lot of gap in the amount that comes in and when it comes in, and they release in installments. So therefore there is a lot of challenges that our students face. We have talked to Government of India. They keep releasing in batches. Some get, some don't get. So it creates a problem for them. Many students have asked me, that's why I've clarified to them also that these are central government subsidies and scholarships. So we are pushing, but till they don't release, there's not much we can do. There is an option where we can give the money in advance. But these programs, the scholarship that comes from central government, the money is put straight into the student's account. It doesn't come to us. So now if we give in advance, as I said, again, they will get the money directly into their account from the central government. So it will be double. So if we can find a way in which if we pay in advance and Government of India gives it back to us later on, then that will solve the problem. And at the same time, or if Government of India ensures that in the beginning of the year, they release the whole amount so that there's no problem. That is one part of the issue of scholarship. But keeping these issues in mind, we felt that the students, because all the feedback I get, it seems students really need support. So while we cannot give them full support in every way, at least some kind of support from the government side would be good in supporting them, promoting them, pushing them to do higher studies. And that is why we came up with this program called the CM Scholarship Scheme, where we will be giving annual basis 6,000 rupees to every post-metric student doing different courses in the post-metric. So they will be given 6,000 annually. So this is the new scheme, and it will start from this coming financial year.